आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं भाग्यनगर इंडिया के बारे में। मैं इस कंपनी को Q2FY26 से ट्रैक कर रहा हूँ। सो आप चैनल पे पहले वाले वीडियोस भी जाकर देख सकते हैं, हाउ दिस कंपनी इज परफॉर्मिंग ओवर ऑल दिस क्वार्टर्स में जो रिजल्ट्स आए वो सब आप उसका मैंने एनालिसिस किया, वो आप देख सकते हो जाके। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग मैं आपको एक दिस डिस्क्लेमर देना चाहता हूँ कि आई हैव होल्डिंग इन दिस कंपनी, सो माय व्यू मे बी बायस्ड। सो आप अपने डिसीजन बेस्ड ऑन द रिजल्ट और अपने हिसाब से लो। दिस इज नॉट द बाय सेल और होल्ड रिकमेंडेशन इन एनी वे। ओके, सो नाउ लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं इस कंपनी के पहले कंपनी के बारे में जान लेते हैं। सो दिस कंपनी इज बेसिकली द मेन job of the company is making the copper related product. So basically what they do is they take the copper scrap and then recycle it, make the copper rod and a couple of different kind of value added product and sell it in the market. So this is the main business of this company. Now recently they shifted their focus on more value added product. Matlab they are shifted their focused on the this silver plated copper thing, silver plated bus bar. So that they use, that is used basically in the this AI systems, AI data center में वो सब use होते हैं. So that they started manufacturing a couple of different value added product that they are also manufacturing. So this is the main thing about this company. Now पहले हम लोग उसके रिजल्ट के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. So their Q4FY26 से Q4FY25 से लेके Q4FY26 का जो रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन, दैट ग्रोथ इज अराउंड 61% ईयर ऑन ईयर पे. एंड FY25 से FY26 मतलब फाइनेंशियल ईयर टू फाइनेंशियल ईयर, देयर रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन ग्रोथ इज 46%. पैट ग्रोथ फॉर Q4FY25 से लेके Q4FY26 इज 402% का है. एंड for financial year the PAT growth is 257% के आसपास का है. EPS is for Q4FY25 से लेके Q4FY26 में जो EPS का ग्रोथ हुआ है, that is also a very good growth. मतलब Q4FY25 में their EPS was 1.43 rupees and Q4FY26 में their EPS is 5.78 rupees. And for financial year मतलब FY25 में their EPS was 4.38 rupees and this FY26 में their EPS is 15.68 rupees. So आप देख रहे हो कि इसमें भी they are getting they have done very good growth, and you can see their revenue is also growing and PAT is also growing, and they are getting this operating leverage as well. So this company is performing very good. And we recently talked about they shifted their focus on this value added product as well, right? So around 60% of their revenue is coming from this value added product. Next thing they talked about कि अभी उनकी total capacity I think 35,000 metric ton की हो गई है to process all this copper thing. And जो next capex that they are planning is मतलब they are saying that they are working on the heat recovery system. So how that is going to help, मतलब जो भी machines है, machineries है, वहाँ पर वो heat recovery system को install करेंगे, and that will basically help them to use the energy efficiently. और उससे क्या होगा, that जो energy कम use होगी, that will be added in their EBITDA margins में वो add हो जाएगा, right? And that will come to the PAT as well. So this is this thing that they told about that they are planning right now. Next we I think talked about they launched this silver plated bus bar for AI data center, and they also talked about they are going to scaling to basically to the aluminum and the plastic recycling as well. So what they are telling that for all this copper scrap, basically all this copper wire जो उनको मिलता है to process it and make these products, they are also getting this plastic and the aluminum with that copper. So what they are saying that we are already getting this plastic and the aluminum thing together, and why not recycle them and make another value added product. So that's their plan on this thing, the copper and aluminum and the plastic recycling में. And they are saying that they will put around 10 crore का capex for this plastic recycling unit के लिए. They are also working on the demerger of the their copper and the real estate business. मतलब पिछले क्वार्टर के रिजल्ट में probably we have discussed about they have this copper का processing thing, Plus they also have some exposure in the real estate or I think this windmills भी है उनके पास. So what they are saying that we will be separate two companies. One will purely focus on this copper thing, and another company will this real estate plus windmill में. So that they are working on. I think June में probably they have still some process going on in the month of June. Then they also talked about this global market जो है copper का वो how that is projected to be grow. So what they told us about is so global refined copper demand is going to be double by 2050. मतलब अभी 2023 का जो डेटा है that is demand total demand is 26.5 metric ton का है और that is going to be around 50 metric ton by 2050. So that is going to be double. Second thing that they told is India is projected to become the second largest copper consumer economy by 2050. So this is the two main point that they given in their PowerPoint presentation about how this industry is going to perform in the next couple of years, right? Around guidance, what they talked about is so they are planning to reach around 5,000 crore by 2030. मतलब अभी मतलब you can see it as they are planning to double this their revenue by 2030. वो 3 साल में वो they are saying that we will be doubling our revenue को. And they also told about they will able to maintain they will this EBITDA margin around 5% का. And they are looking about so in this thing doubling the revenue growth, they are saying that we should be able to maintain the year on growth मतलब 20 से 25% का growth we should be able to maintain that one. So this is all about this company Bhagyanagar India Limited. Again मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि I am holding in this company. So you should analyze this company and take your decision based on your own judgment. No buy, sell and hold recommendations. Thank you.